how's it going? I'm Paris. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already subscribed. If you're new, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the bell to get notifications. That's my puppy, Twizzler. Come here. Come here. Guys, she doesn't want to come. She wants to play with her toy. And I had it because this is how I bribe her to make her come here. You're such a little brat. Say hi. Hi. So she's in her own world, guys. You good, girl? Yeah? All that running? Yeah, so I ordered Elf on the Shelf last time and he acted up and he did attack me. And guys, I put him here, right here. Hi. And I put him right here in this box and I locked it up. Do you want to go play? Here, go play with your toy. It's my girl. So yeah, anyways, I locked it up in this box right here. And I covered it with the book just to hold him like secure because I didn't want him getting out and I didn't want him attacking me. But what I'm going to do today is, maybe it's a little shocking. I was a little hesitant at first because last time I tried to do it, cutting open a and it was crazy because he actually like came to life and attacked me as well. And I don't know why I keep doing this. I think it is kind of not really shocking, but still shocking every single time, like a different way. So what I'm gonna do is this time I'm gonna cut up Elf on the Shelf. Maybe a little wrench, see what's inside, who knows. Anyway, so I'm really like worried because it is 3 a.m. again. And oh, by the way, it's also Twizzler's birthday. Happy birthday, Twizzler. Yay. Anyway, so yeah, what I'm gonna do, she loves her toy. Look at her. Twizzler. Okay. So anyway, enough of the shenanigans and distractions. So anyway, I'm gonna lift this up. Hope nothing happens because crazy things happen. And I'm gonna try and get him out. I think he should still be like asleep or unconscious or something or whatever. So I'm gonna lift it up carefully. Okay. And I'm gonna tape it up or tape him up and see if like he's still moving, because I heard that what the elf does, or Santa's elves do, is that like the elf in the shelves, they come like over to people's houses and they kind of spy on people, which is not very nice to begin with, and then they like report back to Santa on like their behavior. And I don't know, I mean, was I naughty or nice? I mean, close enough, I think. I can't really say, don't quote me on that. Anyway, I think that this isn't really the nicest thing to do to a doll, especially when it's like Santa's like elf or whatever. So hopefully I'm still on a nice list. So I'm gonna remove the book and I'm gonna take a look and see. Look at her, she's so like, she's just like sniffing. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Okay, so I'm gonna like open it up and it looks like he's still asleep, right? I mean, I'm not in any danger. Did it move? Nah, I don't think it moved. Okay, so last time I didn't know how to open it. This time I know it's like, this is a thumb like hole or something, or your fingers, whatever, to get it out. Does this like pique your interest? We're not supposed to touch it, but I'm just talking to my puppy. Like, we're not supposed to touch it, but here we are. Just gonna tape him up now. She's really intrigued. No, Twizzler, it's not a toy for you. All right, guys. Got my scissors and my tape. And I'm about to tape this up. Should I do it across? Or should I do it like, I don't know. Oh, I still have tape on him from last time, so I gotta take that off first of all. I'm not really good at this. Ish. Okay. It's not as sticky as it was before, so I just gotta take this off of it right now. Remove that. And then, okay. Here we go. Tape him down like surgery. So I'm gonna like probably start with like the stomach or something. Who knows? Like his legs. Make it secure. Oh my god, what's going on? Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh my god, he's moving. Oh my god, I think he's moving. What do I do? Twister, we gotta get out of here. What the fuck? Oh my god, Twister, we gotta get out of here. Let's get out of here. What the fuck? Back up. Okay, that was a bad idea, guys. We gotta, Twizzler, we gotta, just hold him. Get him there. Oh my god, okay. That was a bad idea, guys. That was a bad idea. That was a bad idea. Like, he actually did, like, get up. Okay, I'm just gonna hold this over it. I'm gonna give up. Guys, this is crazy. Twizzler, we gotta get out of here, girl. Like, there's no way on earth that we can actually open him up because he moves before we can even do it. Like, that's scary. The fuck. Anyway, guys, thanks again for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the bell to get notifications. I'm gonna get out of here with Twizzler, or even, like, I don't know, set it on, like, set the elf on fire, like burn it or something. I don't even know. Priester's out.